ABC Kids Learning Class.
Hello kids! Welcome to Animal Fun. Let's meet some amazing animals together. Cat. C-A-T. Cat. Cats are curious and love to play. They purr and nap the day away. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. Dogs love to play and wag their tails. They chase their toys and run on trails. Elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Elephants are big with trunks so long. They splash in the water where they belong. Giraffe. G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Giraffe. Giraffes are tall, with necks so high. They nibble on leaves from trees in the sky. Horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Horses gallop fast, oh what a sight. They carry us on rides, day and night. Kangaroo. K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O. Kangaroo. Kangaroos hop with their babies in tow. Over the plains, they quickly go. Lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. The lion roars loud, he's big and strong. The king of the jungle, where he belongs. Monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. Monkeys swing from tree to tree, eating bananas, wild and free. Panda. P-A-N-D-A. Panda. Pandas are fluffy and love bamboo. They eat and play the whole day through. Tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. Tigers have stripes and a powerful stride. They prowl through the forest, where they hide.
Thanks for watching. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe.